Soran,
Yeah.
where are we?
Beach.
What are we gonna do?
That.
We're gonna swim?
Yeah.
We're gonna play frisbee?
Yeah.
And can you tell everybody who's with us?
What?
Who are your friends?
Daniel.
Yeah?
Zach.
Yeah?
Ryan.
That's right. Daniel, Zach, and Ryan, we ready?
Uh-huh.
We're ready.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Beach, Zach.
We're at the beach. Soran,
Yes.
I like your outfit. Can you show everybody your shoes?
Nice.
What are on your feet?
Pretty cool, man.
Your water shoes. Looking spiffy.
Fast like no, I can't go faster.
Soran, what's there?
Beach, Zach.
We're at the beach.
I'm coming.
Yeah. Okay. Nice one. Making a sandcastle? Can I see it? All right.
Who are they for?
Zach.
Zach, you sure?
No, who did we pick those for? They're for Mommy. You're gonna give them to Mommy when you get home?
You'd be very happy with them, I think.
Do they smell nice?
Guess what? Butterflies.
Oh, thank you.
Happy birthday.
Okay, it's not my birthday, but thank you.
Get it, get it, get it!
Yes.
You get it?
I'll say cookies. I don't see the cookies, so where is it?